Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. Okay, so this is the next series of videos we're going to be doing is the flamethrowers. And basically what the flamethrower is, it's really a lighted car, really. It has lights in it. And here's an original Aurora. I wouldn't say it's a flamethrower, but it's an original car with lights in it. And what they did is they put a lighting system in it that basically had a little mechanism that alternated the power to the lights so that they would go off and on, and with the red and the blue, it would represent a police car, okay? Now, this chassis is not the greatest. It's an older chassis. This chassis is really from 1975. If you really want to know, this is an original AFX extraction chassis with the light sensors in it. Actually, both these bulbs still work, okay? And this has a little mechanism that alternates the power from one light to the next. All right. You'll see how it goes when you're turning the little mechanism. See how it goes off and on one at a time. All right. And I had this running a while ago, but I need a little tweaker. But I wanted to show basically what the extraction chassis or the flamethrowers. And this is the first one. This is SC366. SC366, and there's 4 cars, and there's 2 each of the cars. Huh? What? What are you talking about? Oh, what are you worried about? Okay, so we're going to be going over all 8 cars. Why do you keep touching the hat? Unbelievable. All right, so this is the first car. And this is the Camaro. There's 2 Camaros, Camaros, 1970 Camaros. And we'll show you. So this is the first Camaro. These beautiful looking cars. All right. We'll put them right here so he can review them, each one of them. And that's the Camaro. That's the gray or silver kind. Well, it's a metallic black gray with red stripes on it. Beautiful paint job. And so here's what the see, the light is in the front, which is going to give the headlights, and then it's attached in here. It's soldered right underneath the guide braids, or the shoes. You could call them shoes, skis. All right. And so when you turn it on, you'll be able to get it here. And it's really shining the light underneath it. It doesn't, some of the light is here, but most of it kind of shines down, as you can see here. See how the headlights turn on? Uh-oh. And these are really popular cars. Now, there's something in that track that keeps getting stuck. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding. Does this happen intentionally? Unbelievable. I'm trying to do a product review and this happens. Unbelievable. I give up. I really do sometimes. Yeah, look. Okay, so it's going to work when this isn't plugged in. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Nice cars. That's the extraction flamethrower Camaro. And that's the Camaro. That's the black kind of, it's like a metallic black with red. I think this is I'll give you my review of which one's going to sell the most, okay? But that'll be the last video, right? And that's the first car. That's the Camaro. There's basically 2 Camaros, 2 different paint schemes, or liveries they call them. Oh, you want me to leave it there?
Yeah, leave it set up right there. We do need to get the take the pic.
And that's the first car. And then the second one of the Camaros is the orange one. Now they did an orange Camaro of another car, which actually ended up being one of the better sellers. And this is just the pure orange one with the white stripes. Check that out. Holy cow.
See how every car runs different out of the box?
It does. Every car, and I wish people would understand that every car is different when it runs out of the box, just because how these things are made, okay? You know, if I could really kind of go into detail of, you know, how these are injection molded, you know, they're not precision, okay? And there are fluctuations, I think, in the cars between maybe 10 to 20% in the quality or in the tolerances of each car. And you're going to find that. And that's why I have a half a dozen cars on the track.
You can always tweak them.
You can tweak them. You can add to them, make them better. But this car does really nice on the track. And so your lights, basically, the lights are basically when you're full throttle. That's when you're gonna have, because right here, so like that's half. That's not even touching the. You see how the light's not even on hardly. So the more you're powering it, is you're gonna be more powerful. The light is, okay. And that's the Camaros. This is SC366. SC366. And these are the Camaros. There's two Camaros. There's the orange one and the black metallic and red. And this is SC366. And these are available in our inventory right now. They're available right now for purchase. And this is the original Flamethrowers, original lighted car. That's an original police car. Okay. That's an original police car. It needs a little maintenance. I'm going to work on this tonight before race night. I had it running a couple minutes ago, but for some reason it's moving, but it's not moving good enough. So I don't want to use it anymore until I get it cleaned up. I want to clean that up. So these are the two Camaros. This is the orange one. And this is the metallic red, black metallic red. And this is the extraction Flamethrowers. They're called Flamethrowers. And this is the Camaros. Okay? And you want to get these right now, okay? Because these are flying off the shelves right now. And I'm finally realizing that my inventory is about a 12-month cycle. And some things go faster, some things go slower. But I tell you, all the Auto World stuff is moving very well. And this is a great car just to add to your collection. Okay? And you know what's so funny about it is, you know, having a great collection, you know, having a collection of 100 cars, 50 cars, that's really nothing. Because all you're doing is you're just adding to your, you know, people say, well, I have a comic book collection. Well, how many comic books you got? You might have 200 comic books. Well, people say, well, comic books are only $5. Well, not anymore. They used to be $1.50, $2, but look at them now. They're about 10, 15 bucks a piece. And graphic novels are $49. And some guys got a whole library. Look at how many people have a whole library of books. Well, maybe this is their hobby, which is slot cars. These are the first two cars, SC366. These are the Camaros, and these are number one, SC366. ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like on the bottom here. Click the like button. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and hit the notification bell button. Okay, ProTinkerToy out.